Mula sa PRC, Schedule of Examination for the calendar year 2025, name of examination. Number 1, Real Estate Consultants. Date of examination, January 13, 14, and 15, 2025. Place, NCR. Opening online application, September 4, 2024. Deadline filing application, November 4, 2024. Number 2, Architects. Date of examination, January 21 and 23, 2025. Number 3, Criminologists, February 5, 6, and 7, 2025. Number 4, Respiratory Therapists, February 11 and 12, 2025. Number 5, Mechanical Engineers, February 17, 18, and 19, 2025. Number 6, Certified Plant Mechanics, February 17, 18, and 19, 2025. Number 7, Master Plumber, February 20 and 21, 2025. Number 8, Sanitary Engineers, February 26, 27, and 28, 2025. Number 9, Professional Teachers. Number 10, Medical Technologies. Number 11, Physicians. Number 12, Electronics Engineers. Number 12, Electronics Engineers. Number 13, Electronics Technicians. Number 14, Pharmacies. Number 15, Midwives. Number 16, Real Estate Brokers. Number 17, District Electrical Engineers. Number 18, Registered Master Electrician. Number 19, Civil Engineer. Number 20, Nurses. Number 21, Dentist Written. Number 22, Dentist Practical. Number 23, Chemical Engineers. Number 24, Certified Public Accountants. Number 25, Dental Hygienist. Number 26, Dental Hygienist Practical. Number 27, Occupational Therapist. Number 28, Physical Therapist. Number 29, Architects. Number 30, Interior Designer. Number 31, Master Plumbers. Number 32, Landscape Architects. Number 33, Real Estate Appraisal. Number 34, Environmental Planners. Number 35, Criminologists. Number 36, Guidance Counselor. Number 37, Mechanical Engineers. Number 38, Certified Plant Mechanics. Number 39, Medical Technologies. Number 40, Food Technologies. Number 41, Registered Electrical Engineer. Number 42, Registered Master Electricians. Number 43, Sanitary Engineers. Number 44, Qualifying Assessment for Foreign Medical Professional. Number 45, Real Estate Brokers. Number 46, Librarian. Number 47, social workers. Number 48, professional teachers. Number 49, psychology. Number 50, psychometrician. Number 51, civil engineers. Number 52, genetic engineers. Number 53, ocular pharmacologists. Number 53, number 54, optometrists written. Number 55, physicians. Number 56, naval architects. Number 57, optometrists practical. Number 58, fisheries professionals. Number 59, chemists. Number 60, chemical technician. Number 61, professional forester. Number 62, electronics engineers. Number 63, electronics technician. Number 64, metallurgical engineers. Number 65, mining engineers. Number 66, certified public accountant. Number 67, veterinarians. Number 68, nurses. Number 69, nutritionist, dietitian. Number 70, midwives. Number 71, agriculturists. Number 72, speech language. Number 73, pharmacist. Number 74, costume broker. Number 75, chemical engineers. Number 70, geologists. Number 7, dental written. Number 78, occupational therapist. Number 79, dentist practical.